Hi, I'm Ashley Haken, a tech integrationist with SWWC. Today we're going to go over Canva's new features, the Visual Suite. If you've ever created a project where you might have a presentation in one spot, but a flyer in another, and your work gets a little disorganized, this is a video for you. The new Canva Visual Suite allows you to bring all of your ideas into one design with endless formats and possibilities, such as creating a presentation with multiple slides. Instead of creating a new design file for the same project, add it to the same project. Simply choose the next format needed. Add videos, docs, flyers, and so much more. Canva has made it so easy to keep a workflow in one space now. When you're done creating your workflow, you can download or export the individual files as you need them. Export and download them as videos, images, or PDFs. Choose one page or multiple pages. I hope you enjoy using these new Canva features as much as I do. Use these and keep all of your new projects organized in one spot together.